Wind power is the poster child of renewable energy because it produces electricity without burning any fuel or polluting the air. Wind turbine installation definitely not an easy process. It can be complex and lengthy. Before starting the process, we need careful planning and must conduct a detailed study. The wind turbine is a system that transforms wind's kinetic energy into rotational mechanical energy, which is then used to operate in a specific work. Before any consideration can be made, we need an appropriate area for installing wind farms. That means the winds must be reliable. Their speed must be more than 15 miles per hour on average. Wind farms operate best in open areas with gently rolling land surrounded by mountains. Concrete foundations ensure the turbine can withstand from unbelievably strong winds. Giant-sized bolts are used to make the basement stronger and withstand from high-powered obstacles. Anchor case foundations are an alternative to the embedded ring and are very effective. This type of base foundation is a new concept and the most effective supportive structure. Finally, we have finished the basement work perfectly. Now we need to fill it with soil.
Steel parts of the tower may be manufactured off-site in a factory, but they are typically installed on-site. The pieces are bolted together, and the tower is held in a horizontal position before it is placed. The tower is lifted by a crane, the bolts are tightened, and stability is checked upon completion. Wind turbines are large, heavy, and extremely difficult to transport. Typically in traditional route planning, the fastest, most cost-effective route is chosen. Currently, wind components are transported using a variety of different modes including ship, rail, and truck. For example, a 150 megawatt wind farm can require as many as 650 truckloads, 140 railcars, and 8 ships to complete the transportation process. The final step in the wind turbine installation process is the installation of the blades. The blades are directly connected to the nacelle and the rotor, and are responsible for moving to initiate or stop the rotation and energy production. Heavy and difficult to handle cranes are typically used for their installation. Additionally, the system provides for lifting the edge using only the tower's structure, reducing crane rental and deployment costs. With this system, wind turbine blade installation is more efficient, economical, safe, and comfortable.